Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate latte at home using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener, and 8 ounces of milk. Don't forget a small amount of hot water to help dissolve the chocolate. This quick preparation ensures a smooth start to your homemade treat. Now, let's create the rich chocolate base for your latte. In your chosen mug, combine the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder with your 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Add about 2 tablespoons of hot water to this mixture. Stir everything thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, thick chocolate syrup. This step is crucial for a well-blended and flavorful latte, so make sure there are no lumps. Next, we'll prepare the milk. Heat your 8 ounces of milk in a saucepan over medium heat or in the microwave until it's hot but not boiling. The ideal temperature is between 150 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once heated, froth the milk using a whisk, a handheld frother, or even a French press. You want to create a creamy texture with a lovely layer of foam on top for that authentic latte feel. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious chocolate latte. Carefully pour the perfectly steamed and frothed milk over the chocolate syrup you prepared in your mug. Use a spoon to hold back the foam initially, then gently spoon the creamy foam on top. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a few chocolate shavings or a light sprinkle of cocoa powder. Your homemade chocolate latte is now ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.